Hey guys, and welcome back to my camp. I am camping in an absolute heat wave right now. It is a scorching 102 degrees. So today I want to show you guys what I use to keep cool instead of hiding out inside with my AC and burning up my generator. And the plus is everything I use is battery powered. Come check them out. So I want to show you guys my favorite tool for keeping cool. I used to mist myself all the time and it works, but not for long. So I found this fan, not a DeWALT fan, believe it or not. It's just an off-brand I found online. It's 6602 job site fan. I don't even know the brand, but I'll link it below. I like this one because it has dual actions. So maybe you have it inside at night and you just want the fan. You can just use the fan. When you're outside, you can use the misters too. Turn them all the way up. Really get nice and wet. It is compatible with my basic DeWALT battery, so I don't have to go buy another battery to fit with the ones I have. It's got some USB charging cords if you need to charge your phone, charge your speaker, or any other battery-powered devices. We got you. I like this. It has hanging hooks, so if you want to hang it up somewhere or above you at night, it doesn't take up table space. Lastly, most fans like this, I've seen the cord is not weighted. This one is. So it sinks to the bottom of any bucket instead of floating on the top, which is really annoying. And it also has the bottom for when you're storing it. Come here, baby. You just wrap the cord all in there nice and tight. Nice and neat. So that is my favorite tool to keep cool. Now I want to show you the other two. I found these shade curtains that attach easily onto my camper awning, and these make such a big difference. They also give me a little more privacy when I'm hanging out in the front of my camper. I've also noticed they help when it gets a little windy to keep the awning from blowing around so much, which is really great. Obviously, I love the privacy aspect of these tarps, but another benefit, since these are on the front of my camper, providing all this shade, it helps to keep the inside of my camper a lot cooler. So when I do run my AC, it actually doesn't have to work as hard. And now for the third and final thing that's gonna help keep me cool, tools to stay cool, I got a mister system, and I'm really excited to try this. So it's got the mister tips, and I'm gonna attach these up on my shade tarp so they spray down on me all day. I like this because they actually sent me some extra tips in case one breaks or gets clogged. You can attach it with some zip ties that come undone or some clips if those work better for you. This is the cool part. The carrying case for everything is also the water bucket. So I filled it with water, put that together to carry it, and we'll unzip that. It has a nice little pump, so you turn it on, put it in the water. It lasts about 6 hours, and it is USB chargeable, so I could even charge it from my fan if I wanted to, or my charging port. So you turn the fan on, the power button, turn our pump on, we'll stick it down in the water, and finally, the top is mesh, so if you do need to refill it with water, you don't have to unzip everything. You can just pour it right in. Let's set this up and have a little water party. Okay, now we have to have a Mr. Dance party in our swimsuits. This is so nice. I love it. Take these off. It's too hot for pants. Dance party time. Well, thank you guys so much for letting me show you my cool tools today. I hope you go out and try some of these cooling mechanisms yourself. They work really good and I love them, so I hope you do too. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow me here and on all of my socials at Sunny Moon. If you have any camping requests, camping hacks, or you just want to see some fun content, hit me up in the DMs. And until then, happy camping! Stay cool!